County and nationwide, over 500,000 people have died of COVID-19. This is why one Colorado Springs man is standing with a heart full of gratitude after successfully fighting the virus with a convalescent plasma treatment.
Yesterday, he met the 2 donors who saved his life. KRDO News Channel 13's Jasmine Arenas joins us live from UC Health Memorial North, a special spot for this COVID-19 survivor.
In May of 2020, Paul Nielsen was fighting for his life here at UC Health Memorial North. 8 days later, he was able to leave the hospital alive thanks to his plasma donors, something unfortunately not many have been able to do during this pandemic. Paul Nielsen is a data architect, an author of program database books, a father, husband, and now a COVID-19 survivor. He contracted the virus while on a 2-day trip. Though he was careful, the virus has no boundaries.
They took me to the ER. I did not think I was going to make it. And I was starting to give passwords to my family, and I texted my seminary mentor and said, if I don't make it, here's instructions for my memorial.
First, doctors were considering putting him in a ventilator, but then offered him a convalescent plasma treatment, which is therapy that uses blood from people who've recovered from an illness to help others.
And the plasma, I guess, stabilized me enough in the first couple of days that I didn't have to go on a ventilator. And by about the 3rd day, it was turning the corner and my blood oxygen was starting to improve.
After working closely with Vitalent, a nonprofit organization that collects blood from volunteer donors, he was able to meet with his donors, Dr. Amos Bailey, who contracted the virus in early March, and Dr. Tracy Metcalf, a hospitalist in Vail, who also contracted the virus early on.
Opportunity to give plasma arose. I was really delighted to be able to do that.
Fighting and journaling his way to survival. He's now publishing his journey in a book, COVID Case 741.
He's doing it just to help others with their experience with COVID.
And his final chapter, meeting the 2 donors who helped save his life. Now, Paul Nielsen hopes to have his book available for sale by late summer. And he's also paying it forward by donating plasma himself. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, I'm Jasmine Arenas for KRDO News Channel 13.
Literally giving the gift of life. Jasmine, thank you.